So today in the life of a baler man, we're going to take a look at some of the Strautmann balers that we've got in stock. This is one of Strautmann's small balers, the Bale Press 4 CD. This kind of machine, it will bale cardboard, it will bale plastics, it will bale other materials, even general black bag waste, and make nice little bales that will fill up your skip. Instead of lots of fresh air, you get all dense blocks of waste in your skip, fill up one instead of 5 or 6. But mostly this would be used by a small business, a small retailer or a small food outlet, someone that's got waste that's a problem. The volume of waste that they're dealing with on a daily basis, it's in the way. They need a clean, tidy, space efficient system to contain their waste. You're not going to be able to sell the bales of cardboard that a machine like this makes, but you are going to be able to crush hundreds of boxes. You can make a 50 to 60 kilo cardboard bale in here. Now those bales can go into your cardboard only skip, and instead of filling 10 skips, you'll fill 2. So you'll save the money on 8 of them, and that's the money that pays for the baler. It is ideal for baling polythene. Often these small balers, we supply them alongside a mill-sized baler for cardboard, because for most companies, the rule of thumb that I've worked out over the years is that if you've got 10 tons of cardboard, you've got 1 ton of polythene. It's kind of like that in a lot of distribution, manufacturing, packaging, warehousing types of business. It's a sort of 10-to-1 ratio. Polythene compacts down very, very effectively. A massive loose volume of stretch wrap, pallet cover, polythene bags will compact into a nice dense 50-60 kilo bale in this machine. Those bales will stack 6 or 7 on a Euro pallet. Give it a good lick of stretch wrap around it, and you've got nearly 400 kilos of film on a pallet. If you save up 10 pallets, you've got 4 ton for a collection. That makes your polythene film saleable because it's cost effective to collect it, and if you've got the right material, polythene film's worth currently anything from 50 to 200 pounds a ton. So it is definitely worth it if you've got the material. With a very cost-effective small baler like this is less than £5,000. You've got all the Strautmann quality, you've got the safety, the longevity, the operational benefits and features, and you're going to save money and earn money. I'll give you a quick run around the machine. It's very straightforward. You've got a latch front door that you feed in. You've got your Strautmann Top Plus version that keeps the press plate straight, nice deep slots, latches on the inside to hold your material down. What you fill in the top is squashed into the bottom. You make a nice dense bale. Surprisingly, even for a small machine, look at the quality and the build strength of this clamp. You've got the same hand wheel on the small machine that you have on the big machines. You've got strength, longevity, quality in there. The frame, the build, is everything about this machine is high quality. There's loads of cheap machines, but you could probably bale them in this baler. Simple controls, operating instructions, power packs nice and accessible on the back. These things, the reindeer antlers, you mount the bale strap that you use on those, that slots down through the bottom, comes out the back, underneath, nice and easy to tie off, quick, safe and efficient. It doesn't have an automatic bale eject, it's just a little single phase machine that plugs into your 16 amp supply. But you come with a nice strong sturdy bale trolley that when you've tied off the bale, you push that trolley in, tilt it backwards, and the bale lands. The trolley brings the bale out, and then you can move that to wherever you're going to stack and store it. So it's a small footprint, cost effective, money saving, money earning baling press from Strautmann. And that's what it's all about. The only reason to have a baler is to save money and earn money. It's a means to an end. If you're not going to save money and earn money, you don't need one.